This is the one job that we put this many louvered covers in. They call it aluminum panel. They're about this wide, and they're designed to overlap each other. And so when you can do it manually or remote control, they open up. Instead of laying down on top of each other, they rotate. And they can rotate any amount of degrees to either shade the sun or let sun in, depending on your needs. The real benefit of a louvered cover is just the amount of sun that you allow in. You can come out here when it's raining or snowing if you wanted to, and still be able to enjoy the outside and be protected from the elements. And then if you're out here and you wanted to enjoy the sun, then you just move the louvers to whatever position you want them. They have a lot more options and to allow sun in than like a lattice cover. It really covers about 60%, allows 40% sun in. Or I do all the plans and engineering and permitting. A lot of the engineering for these louvered covers come directly from the manufacturer. So I sent in all the specifications and measurements and what's required for a northern Nevada environment into the manufacturer. And then they sent us the engineering that applies, and I put all that together in a package and sent it into the building department for permit. And they check it over pretty thoroughly and make sure it does meet codes. And with louvered covers, it's more important to be very, very accurate with all the dimensions. And so we would put the posts and the beams up first, and then all the louvers and all the mechanisms that control the louvers would go in next. Now that's where most of the precise work is. These also have the optional motorized louver and remote control, so he can open them or close them at will. Nice covers, they're popular, and they really work pretty well. I think the best part of this job is the little casita that we built for him. Finished it on the inside, and he's using it for one of his hobbies, which happens to be model trains. But that one, the house turned out really good too.